Export to YouTube from VideoPad. To upload your video to YouTube, click the YouTube button on the Export toolbar. Enter a video title and description and select the correct category. Click Create to sign into Google and upload your video. Continue watching for additional details in exporting to YouTube. The Export Video dialog for YouTube can also be opened using the Export Video button on the Home tab. Simply select YouTube from the drop-down list. Use the default format or select another YouTube recommended resolution from the Format drop-down. YouTube 2160p has a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. YouTube 1440p has a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels. YouTube 1080p has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. YouTube 720p has a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. And YouTube 480p has a resolution of 854 by 480 pixels. The higher the number, the larger the file will be that you are uploading. We recommend using a resolution that is equal to the original content or smaller. If you are uploading a 360 or 3D video, make sure to select the correct checkbox. This is important for YouTube to display it properly. From the frame rate drop-down, you can choose between common frame rates of 24, 25, 30, 48, 50, or 60 frames per second. We recommend using the default of 30. A video title and description are required to upload to YouTube. Choose the correct category from the drop-down list. Keywords are optional. If you want the video to be private, select the checkbox next to Private hidden from Public. Click Create to sign into your account and upload the video. For more VideoPad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.